Hi, my name is Kimberly Gonzalez and I'm the owner of Pure Evergreen, and I wanted to show you how to clean a stainless steel using Pure Evergreen. It's super simple, and if there's heavy buildup, I highly recommend doing it a few times, or what I like to use is doing a removal of the heavy buildup with another product. But here's the video, come check it out. So here we have the dreaded stainless steel that nobody likes to clean because it's a pain in the butt. And you really don't want to put WD-40 and you don't want to put baby oil. And I recommend not putting oil of any kind because think about it. What does our kids do? You have little kids and they're touching the oils, and then where do their hands go? So that chemical is now in their mouth. So I wanted to create something that we can use even on stainless steel. So here's my example stainless steel fridge, and we're gonna clean it up and make it look new again. You ready? So I recommend microfiber cloths. My favorite microfiber cloth, which they're not a sponsor of mine, but I do recommend them, is the Buff. I've had these for a really long time and I've taken them really good care of them. I recommend Buff cloths. So when cleaning a stainless steel fridge, 2. You want one for spraying it on there, and you want one to buff it and make it shine. So Pure Evergreen, get a little bit on there. You can either, I like spraying it on the cloth first, or you can even spray it on here. But you got to make sure you get all the drips first. So I'm going to spray a little bit on my cloth, and I'm using eucalyptus mint for this one. Okay, so this is wet. So I'm going to just do a section. So we're going to come right over here so you could see me. So this was the door with all the drips. Okay, so what I like to do is go up here, always start top. Whenever you clean, you always want to start top and you want to work your way down. So even like me not even coming back and buffing it, it's already getting clean. So we're just going to do this little section and then we'll open the fridge and we'll get the rest. So here's this part. So you want to do a little bit at a time. So I'm going to come back with my dry microfiber. I only use natural plant-based laundry detergent sheets that I sell. That's it. I don't use softener. I don't use anything else in it. That's all I use. So there's no buildup. You do not want buildup on your cloth. So do not use these for dusting. So here it is. And it's crazy because you can even see the scratches on here. So here's a little area that I did. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to bring it closer for you guys. But look at that. And it even feels so nice. And there's no buildup. Look at this. I'm rubbing my fingers on it and no fingerprints. Isn't that wild? So kids can touch it and it's safe for them to touch it. And it will just remove all that buildup. So let's go to this next side. So I want to show you how cool this is. So whenever I do refrigerators for my clients for cleaning, I always like to open the door and I come in here whenever I clean, and I always open one of the doors and I come right here and I wipe this down. So you always want to wipe it down, okay? And then I always wipe down here, and I always wipe down the first part of it, and that's it. So, and I'm just doing a quick example. So, that is how you clean a stainless steel fridge using Pure Evergreen. So I'll show you the end result in just a few minutes. Okay, we're back. Here's the final outcome. Isn't that beautiful? Let me just show you the shine. It's like we always want to jump to oils and all these things and chemicals, and you don't need it. My product will clean, Pure Evergreen will clean everything, and I love it. Again, look at this. The kids can put their fingers on here. Look at that. No fingerprints. Every mom needs this in their household. Every daycare, home daycare needs this in their house. You need it for your clients' houses. Look how gorgeous that looks. So yeah, that's how you clean a stainless steel fridge.